Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to talk about Momo. It's a very popular Nepalese dish. It's like a little dumpling, sometimes filled with like veggies, meat, all kinds of things. And then you can do lots with them, which is why I wanted to do this video. So as you can see here, this is a Momo restaurant where this is the speciality. So they do loads of different things and they do loads of different ways of having them. So you can have them steamed, which is kind of standard, fried, where they're thrown in the fryer. Coffee is half steamed, half fried. Chili Momo is tossed in chili sauce. And then the last one is like a type of soup Momo. Here, it's our first time, so we just went for the standard, half steamed, half fried. I really like the fried ones because they're crispy, but the steamed ones do have their place. So these are the two types that we tend to get in the UK. And they're wonderful. They're delicious, but the whole point of this is we wanted to try as many different types as we possibly could. So at the back you've got steamed, at the front you have got fried. Easy. Next up from Laughing House we have got chili Momo. So these have been deep fried and then they have been tossed in a chili sauce. Spicy, crispy, but just plain delicious because they've been fried, they've got the crispiness, but then they've got the sticky sauce. Delicious. Next we have got Coffee Momo. So this is from Loving Heart, which turned out to be our favourite restaurant the entire time we were there. Now, they're half fried, half steamed. So what you do, you cook them a little bit similarly, you cook them similarly? You know what I'm trying to say. You cook them the same as gyoza. So what you do is you put oil in a pan, you put the dumplings on top of it, and then you put water on top of that so they get the fried bit on the bottom and steamed on the top. However, as you can see there, this means they're very, very hot. Temperature wise, not spice wise, just temperature wise, they are boiling, boiling hot. And these are soup Momo. So you've got steamed Momo, you've got a soup, and then one is added to the other. Also equally delicious, and you do sometimes get that here in the UK as well, soup Momo. Next up we've got Anyor, which is an Indian restaurant as opposed to a Nepalese restaurant, and they have done tandoori Momo. So you will also find Momo in India, normally in like north of India. And what they do is they make the Momo, they cover them in like your tandoori spice mix, stick them on a skewer and then put them actually in the tandoor so they get kind of like oven baked and charred, and oh my god, they were delicious. Finally we've got Places. This is a bit more kind of upmarket, so you're getting a bit more kind of like small posh portions as opposed to like a big plate of just plain steamed momos. I went for the soup Momo, which had these tiny little intricate ones. How they folded them I don't know, but Leo had these which were filled with pumpkin and came with a chili chocolate sauce. So there you go. Lots of different types of Momo, and there's even more that we didn't even get to try. So if you're in Nepal, try out Momo and yeah, have a great time.